Hey guys. Okay, the one with the little mark on the back of her neck, she's spoken for. And the other ones are licking food off themselves because I just pulled the lunch bowl away from them so I can get a quick picture. So they're not sure if they want to go back and nap or if they want to lick the food off of each other's faces. Here, Belle. This one is chocolate female. And I think she's one of the twins. If you can believe that. Here's the other twin, I think. It's one of the males. Okay. See, after they eat, they are all full of the food, so they just go around licking it off each other. Hi. This is the small one of the pack. Let's see, who else do we have over here? We have this male. And they're 4 weeks old at this point. Actually, they'll be 4 weeks tomorrow. And then we've got the snoozer over here. Still sleeping. What do we have here? This is another male. Look at the paws on that guy. Okay, let's return the bowl to the party here so we can get back to eating. There you go. And that's the group. Hey partner, are you going to come over and eat? His tongue still tastes like dog food, so pretty much everything he licks is going to taste like lunch. There you go. Ow! That's one of the males. Now getting back to the eating.